Hey gang, Miss Hairbrush here. I'm drawing a horse, one of my favorite things to draw. Get a pencil with an eraser, that's important, a black pen or marker of some sort, gray, a color for your horse, I have peach or tan, and if you want to do some rainbow hair, you'll need pink, orange, yellow, and green. You don't have to use markers, crayons, or colored pencils work too. When drawing a horse, start with 3 circles at the head, the chest, and the rump. This helps you space out your drawing correctly. I'm going to use a marker, but you can use the pencil if you'd like to erase. Inside the circle for the head, draw the eye. It's just a little almond shape. Now up and just a little to the right, we'll draw the ear. This is also an almond shape. Now the hair or the mane that's between the ears. I have the whole drawing printed out so you can see how it all goes together. This is also a page in my art books that go with these videos. The link is below. Don't forget the other ear right back here. Draw the top of the nose, the bottom lip, then just like this for the bottom of the face. You can pause and rewind and erase whenever you want. Here's another almond shape for the nostril. Now the hair that goes down the neck. Relax, relax, and just go for it. If your hand is nervous, the hair will look nervous too. It's okay to make lots of mistakes. I do it all the time. We'll draw the neck and use the chest circle here to guide us. Just like that. See? The neck is not a straight line, it has a little curve to it. I add this little line because horses have a muscle right here, so that makes my drawing look more real. All the legs are made with 4 lines. That's 1, 2, okay, 1 and 2, 3, and 4. The hooves are 4 lines also. 1, 2, it's a curvy line, 3, I don't like the way I did that, so I'm going to fill that in a little bit, and 4. Same thing on this leg. This takes some practice. If you practice, you will get good at it, even if you are really bad at the beginning. All of us have to practice to get good, including me. Let's make the back. There's a little bump right here called the withers. Then the back is a soft curve just around the last circle like this. The back legs are curved a little differently, but there's still 4 lines. Let's do it. 1, 2, leave a little room for the tail here because the tail's going to go in front of the leg. So this will be 3 and then 4. The hooves are the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Number 4's covered up. 1, 2, 3, 4. But by the fourth one, I bet you're much better. Now we'll fill in the stomach right here. That's another soft curve line. Then add the tail, flowing in the wind. Nice relaxed hand. Lots of lines. Looks like hair, hairy lines. You did it, and it looks great. You can erase any pencil lines that you don't want because it's time to color. I need a bowl of water because I'm using watercolor brush pens. Get out your gray, we're going to do some shading. If you don't have gray, you can use black, but just don't press as hard. Color the end of the nose like this. Under the face, and under the eye, and under all of the hair. Some right here too. That makes it look like a real horse. Right here along the neck and the chest. A triangle along the inside of the leg here, and a little bit down here. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Nothing has to be perfect when you're learning. Color in this whole back leg because it is in the back. Oh, and inside the ears, I forgot that part. Add some to the hair, just a little bit here and there. You can see how the shading and all the work that it takes to do the shading really makes a difference in your drawings. This makes your drawings look more real. Get out your pink and add just a little bit to the nose, like this. Color in all the hooves with black. I'll show you how to do that. Leave little white spaces in the middle so your hooves look shiny. if you're going for an all-white horse, you're done. That's it. But I'm going to make a Palomino horse with a tan body and white hair. Leave a little bit of white on the nose. That's called a blaze. Have a white blaze. And you just color right on top of all the shading. I'm going to speed this up a little because it does take a while to color the whole horse. Here's some ideas for horse colors. The beautiful white horse. This one has some cream in its tail. Or this beautiful chestnut color horse. Or a beautiful gray horse. Were you paying attention? The noble horse has been a great help to humans for a very long time. In many different cultures, the horse is a popular subject for art. People like horses and they like to draw things, so there you go. And now you're making horse art just like them. Here are some examples of that horse art I was telling you about. This is a terracotta horse's head on display at one of my favorite places, the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City. This is a sculpture from ancient Greece from almost 2,000 years ago. There's so much detail in this piece, but guess what? It's only 3.5 inches high. Up next is this beautiful gray horse. Now this wasn't a horse in the artist's imagination. This was a real horse, one of 4 very fine and expensive horses given by the King of Afghanistan to the Emperor of China in 1763 in order to make friends. I think if I got one of these horses for a gift, we could be friends. And this painting is by Belgian artist Van den Ebel, about 100 years ago. It's a fun painting to look at. He's not worried about making perfect horses. Instead, he wants it to look like they are really moving in this field of grass. My Palomino is finished, and I could leave it just like this. Or I could add some rainbow hair for fun. Start with pink and add just a little bit at the top like this. Then add orange and then yellow and green. She's got some highlights. Let's hope this is natural because this would cost a fortune at the salon. When I was really little, I had my first My Little Pony with rainbow hair, and it was the coolest. Her name was Sunlight, and I still remember her. Totally done, my friends. Good job, you guys. Clip, clap, and I don't stop. Wind blowing in my hair when I get from here to there. Let's be friends and saddle up, giddy up, gallop through some tall grass, share some stories, have some laughs. Ballerina, Palomina, like to meet you, hope to see ya. Eating blades in the shade, yeah, where I wanna graze. Trot where I like, right, sleep with the fireflies. Those drives simple like get an apple, take a bite.